Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to make reels with trending music. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, you need to prepare your video, and if you want to create reels like that, I introduced to you this InShot application. All you have to do is to import your video and then edit. Make sure the ratio is 9:16 since it's Instagram Reels. You can edit, add effects, add text, and so on. Once done, you can save the video and go to Instagram. Import the video that you have created. Tap this one right here. And then you will see this music icon here on Instagram. You have options, but if you want your video to go viral, tap on or use trending music right here. Also, you can add hashtags to make your video more visible to different types of audience. So you can select a specific music right here from trending. For example, I want to use this music because a lot of people are using this music. Tap on this arrow right here to use. Now, you can select the area or the part of the music that you want to use here on your video. Once done, then tap on this done option above, and that's it. You can now add some effects, you can now add some text, and after that, you can now post your video. And that's how easy it is to make reels with trending music. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.